Hello, hi, I'm Nick Acevedo, and I'm here back at it again today with another sports drink recipe. Up to say, with that said, it is going to be a 2 teaspoons of sugar, it's going to be 2 teaspoons of salt, at a teaspoon of sugar, at a teaspoon of salt, and with that, it is going to be 3 teaspoons of lemon pepper seasoning, at a teaspoon and a half of lemon pepper seasoning. With that said, up to say of down, over, shake, sideways, down, over, shake, sideways, down, over, shake, down, over, shake, down, shake, up to say over, shake. With that said, another sport drink recipe. With that said, up to say this has been another video with me, Nick Acevedo. Up to say.